Hi, I'm Max Perez from Digital Octopus. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the microphone on your Camaro. This should be a simple process. Should only take a couple of minutes. We're going to break down the installation into two. One, we're going to do it the easy way, and one, the expert way, as I call it. So let's get started. Let's not waste any more time. So as you can see, we are inside the car. So I'm gonna show you how to run the microphone. We are gonna work our way back. So this way, if we have any excess wire, we could hide it behind the glove compartment or behind the unit itself. So come on a little closer and I'll show you how to stick this on and run the wire. Come on. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the backing for the microphone and we're gonna stick it right up here in this little square. We're just gonna put it in there and tightly push it in. Leave it there for about 15 seconds. And once you do that, we are ready to run the wire. Okay, so now what we want to do is we're gonna run this wire back here and we're gonna go around and we're gonna tuck it in behind the headliner here. So you could grab a tool, the headliner tool, and just push that in. We're gonna go around and we're gonna tuck in behind the liner. You can see as I'm going here, we're gonna go around. We're gonna go down through here and out. Okay, so next we're gonna take out this lining here, this protection. So we're just gonna pull it out so this gets exposed. We don't want to pull it out all the way, just this section here is fine. After we have that ready, we're gonna get our panel removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna stick it in right around here and we're gonna pop it out. It has 3 clips, so it should pop out pretty easy. And I'm just gonna use my hand for this. And as you can see, we have 3 clips that hold it. This 1, 2, and 3. And we're gonna run our microphone wire. I'm gonna pull mine out since I already have it here. So we're gonna come around here and we're gonna stick it behind and then down. And we stick that in there, tuck it in really nice. And as you can see, we are gonna go behind here, which is gonna take you into your glove compartment down to where the head unit is at. So once you do that, you should be good to go. Put everything back together. Just do the reverse of what we did on the video and you should be good to go. Okay, so if you want to continue doing it the hard way, so we're gonna stick in our panel removal tool or screwdriver and very gently pry it out. So we're gonna pull this out. Next we're gonna pull out this housing here for the light bulb. And you could do this without taking out a lot of these things. I usually like to take out these panels here, these buttons, just so it could be more flexible and it makes it easier to pull the unit out. Next we're gonna take our flathead screwdriver and we're gonna stick it in here. And what that does, it releases 2 clips that are back here in the unit, or you could take your panel removal tool and bring it from the back and then just play with it until this comes out. So what we want to do is pull this out here, this little piece. And same thing here. There you go. Now that is exposed, you're gonna see 2 screws. One of them, which is here, and the other one is here. And these are 2 screws and I'm gonna use my screwdriver. Once you take out those two screws, this is being held in by clips, those pressure clips like the ones on your radio, and all you're gonna do is pull down. So we're gonna pull down gently, pull down gently, same thing back here, pull down gently, and that should come out there. Okay, so with our microphone, we're gonna stick a screwdriver back here and it'll pop open, so you want to pop that open, and we're gonna pull out the wire that's in here, right? So it's your microphone, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some tape and we're gonna put it behind here. I do not have any tape right now, and we're gonna put it right where the hole is from the previous microphone. So we're gonna put it right in here. You could tuck your wire right in between that clip, and to hold it down, just put some tape right up here. You're just gonna put some tape and it's gonna look like that. You're gonna run your wire through and you should be good to go. Just follow the directions on how to run the wires. Let's put this here. We're gonna tape it up here, so this way you don't see anything here and it comes up on your unit on this side here. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me. I hope you learned something new today. I'm gonna put everything back together now. I owe you guys a backup camera video, but it's been raining. It's been crazy here in Florida. As you can see, I have to shoot at night because it's so hot during the day, but I'm gonna work my best. I'm gonna get you that video soon, so stay tuned.